here at this building. This is, I can't see the number from here, but this is in Madrid. Here's the brand. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed here. It's interesting. Another one of those Spanish generics. I'll just set this back in here for now. Had to pick up some stuff for the apartment. Actually, watch out this way. They put a window in the back. These buildings are very dark at night because the lights automatically turn off. I reckon this was something much older prior to this. Should I take a, yeah, I think I can take a second ride. We'll just go, we'll do it quick though. I don't want to waste too much time. Well, exploring elevators is never a waste of time. But I got places I gotta be. I hear people, so I don't want to be messing around in here for too long. I do not know how people are in these European buildings towards, I don't know. I know in America they get sussed out, so I don't want to push my luck here, especially somewhere where I'm not completely fluent with the language. But this is pretty neat though, for a generic. Let's look at the It does the thing that I've seen a few Spanish lifts do where the buttons flash according to the floor you're on, which I don't know why. It already has a floor indicator, so I don't see the point in that. Neat little feature though. Old lobby. I'll send it up, but you guys can watch it go. And you can see the pit. There's the pit. Anyway, that's it. Oh, there go the lights. That's it.